Look at the screen right now. Fresh Adsterra earnings and payment proofs updating live right before your eyes. This isn't luck, and it isn't temporary. This is the daily reality when you leverage the Adsterra loading method, an automated system engineered to give you a 100% earning guarantee from day one, pushing a minimum of $100 into your account every single day. Let's clear up the technical side right away. You do not need an expensive, high-specification computer or heavy hardware. My lightweight bot runs smoothly on any basic, normal device you already own. Even better, you can bypass the headache of building websites, buying domains, or paying monthly web hosting fees. Everything runs directly using just your Adsterra direct link. There are zero hidden costs, no surprise recurring subscriptions, and no extra investment needed to keep it going. The price for full lifetime access is a simple, one-time payment of $250. For fast and secure transactions worldwide, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know the internet is flooded with fake claims and edited screenshots, and being cautious is smart. That's why I offer 100% transparency. If you have any doubt that these results are real, message me right now. I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my official Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard live while you watch. My name is Adam Infroy. Stop watching from the sidelines. Send me a direct message right now, claim your bot, and start securing your daily earnings today.